How to apply for student finance in India. Step-by-step guide to secure your educational loan. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in India. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before applying for student finance, confirm that you meet the eligibility criteria, which usually includes nationality, Indian citizen or an eligible resident, course and institution. The course must be recognized by the relevant authority, UGC, AICTE, etc. Academic performance. Maintain a certain academic record required by the lender or government scheme. Step 2. Choose a loan type. There are various types of student loans available in India. Government loans. Vidya Lakshmi Portal offers education loans backed by the Government of India. Bank loans. Most major banks offer student loans. Research and compare the interest rates, repayment options, and coverage. Scholarship options. Check if you are eligible for government or private scholarship before opting for a loan. Step 3. Visit the official portal. For government-backed student loans, visit the Vidya Lakshmi Portal. Go to www.vidyalakshmi.co.in. For private or bank loans, visit your respective bank's website or contact them directly. Step 4. Register on the portal. Create an account on the Vidya Lakshmi Portal by providing personal information, full name, contact details, and email address, academic information, course details, institution name, and admission status. Step 5. Fill the Common Education Loan Application Form, SELA. Complete the SELA form by entering personal details, name, address, date of birth, etc. Course details, university, course type, UG or PG, duration, and fees. Loan details, amount required, expenses covered, tuition fees, living expenses, books, and co-applicant details. And before we proceed, in order for your loan to be approved, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 6. Upload necessary documents. Scan and upload the required documents such as admission letter or offer letter from the institution, mark sheets of previous academic records, proof of identity, Aadhaar card, PAN card, etc., proof of income for the co-applicant, parents or guardians, bank account details for loan disbursement. Step 7. Choose a lender and apply. On the Vidya Lakshmi Portal, you can apply to up to 3 banks. Select the banks based on interest rates, repayment options, processing time. For private banks, follow the lender's specific application procedure. Step 8. Track your application. Once the application is submitted, monitor your application status on the Vidya Lakshmi Portal or the bank's official website. Keep in touch with the bank for further procedures like interviews or document verifications. Step 9. Approval and loan disbursement. If approved, the bank will provide a sanction letter outlining the loan terms including loan amount, interest rate, repayment tenure. Funds are then disbursed to your university or as per the agreement. Step 10. Start repayment after completing your studies. Once the loan is approved, you can start focusing on your studies. Repayment typically begins after a moratorium period. Course duration lasts 6 to 12 months. And that's it, folks. Now you have everything you need to take the first step toward funding your dreams. Remember, education is not just an investment in your future. It is a pathway to endless possibilities. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This application could be your first step toward a brighter, more empowered future. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who might need a little extra magic on their education journey. Together, we rise and dreams become reality. Keep dreaming big and stay unstoppable.